and welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. So we are getting ready to head up to Pittsburgh this weekend. We're going to go see my husband's family, who we haven't seen in like 3 or 4 years, and spend a little bit of time up there. That's where my husband is from, and I absolutely love Pittsburgh, so I am super excited to go back and see how everything has changed, and eat some really good food, and hopefully do some antiquing and vintage shopping on the way back. I think we're going to hit a couple of antique malls on the way back. But today we are going to do our Redbird Vintage Box unboxing. We have another good size box again, so really excited about this, and I'm hoping to get some of our trip to Pittsburgh filmed, and so I can put a little bit of a kind of travel vlog together for you guys. So but for now, let's go ahead and get right into our unboxing. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like we've got another scarf. This is really cute, the way that it's packaged up like this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Little poppies, it looks like. That is so pretty. That's actually, I did a video on different ways to use hair scarves in, for your hair. And this is actually the perfect size for one of those styles. And I love those colors. That's really pretty. Okay, we have another scarf. Oh, wow. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. It's so vibrant. I really like this. And this is the absolute perfect size for a hair wrap or a hair turban. And that I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. Absolutely. And it's a nice cotton. So it's actually really holds onto your hair. Sometimes I have a hard time with like the silk or the satin scarves, because it just is, it kind of slides right off my hair, which I always have to wear a hair net in order to kind of give it something to grip. But these are great. These nice cotton ones are fantastic for that. And yet another. Okay, this looks like a little, it's like maybe, oh, look at that. That's perfection. They must have seen, I've been wearing this netted hair wrap for my my hair curlers that I got from Curlettes, and this is about the same size, and I love that it's just a triangle like this, because it doesn't have any extra stuff on the sides to really make it bulky, and it just holds your curlers really well. So I love that. That's perfect. All right, let's see what else we have. Looks like we've got, I don't want to peek. Okay. Oh my goodness, 2 things in here. Okay, so we've got a brooch and what is this? Oh, I think, okay, I'm going to get to that in a second. Okay, let's start with the brooch. Sorry, I'm getting really excited and getting ahead of myself here. Oh, wow, that's really sparkly, and it's got a lot of the Aurora Borealis around the sides. I'm gonna say that this is definitely not really my style. It's this is something that my mother would absolutely have worn and loved. But yeah, it's a bit much for me personally. It's beautiful, and honestly, I don't wear a lot of pink. So the pink, kind of the rhinestones in the center. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. It's not as me as I would hope, but that's okay. Not everything has to be perfection. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a little perfume bottle with a glass, it's glass, and a glass stopper in it. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely stunning. I really like that. It looks like a little genie bottle. That's very, very cute. Very unique. I like that a lot. Okay, on to the next. Okay, I just said I don't wear pink that often, and yep, this is another one that just is not me. I'm not a big fan of these types of hats, to be honest. I think a lot of it has to do with just my hair type. I have a lot of hair, and these just, kind of sit right on. They're very 50s and 60s, which is not really my eras. And it just kind of, smushes right down in on your head. And with my hair and how thick and heavy it is, just doesn't do well, and it's incredibly pink, so I may have to gift that along to somebody else. Okay, oh my goodness, oh wow. Okay, so we have another little scarf here that is tied to a handbag. Okay, so we have another scarf that's in a similar length, which these are really great for just kind of, tying around. Sometimes I'll tie these into like braids on the side and then bring it up like a milkmaid braid when my hair's longer. When it's shorter like this, it's a little bit harder, but that's really cute. Even though it's pink, I can definitely wear it. And then we have this little handbag, which is really cute. That's beautiful, and it has this gorgeous kind of violet purple lining. That's a perfect little spring handbag. I like that a lot. That is really cute. So this was very different. Lots of scarves, only one piece of jewelry, which, unfortunately just isn't really going to work out for me, but that's okay. And then just an amazing, gorgeous perfume bottle. So yeah, this was very fun. These scarves are amazing. I'm definitely going to wear these a lot. And yeah, the hat. Not sure what to do with the hat. If any of you out there absolutely adore this hat, if you love this hat, hit me up. We'll see what we can do for you. All right. Well, this is a great send-off for my vacation coming up. And again, I hope to be back. I'm going to have my mother-in-law here. We're bringing her back from Pittsburgh. So she's going to be with us for about a week and a half or so. And we're going to be doing all kinds of fun touristy stuff. And I'm hoping to get some filming done of that. We haven't really done a whole lot since we've moved here. We've been putting the house together and all that stuff. And we always like to do it when people are actually coming to visit. So I'm really excited about that, and hopefully get some filming done with all of that as well. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.